Hey guys, welcome to Airplanes Trip Reports. Sorry that it's been a while. Today's flight is on a JetBlue A321 from John F. Kennedy to San Diego in core class. This plane was equipped with JetBlue's Old Mint. The IFE screens on this plane are large, but the screens on the new A220 and some of the refurbished A320s are bigger. This morning, Terminal 5 was crowded, and there were lines for all of the check-in kiosks. Here's our plane, November 992 Juliet Bravo, an A321 built in 2018, and its name is Element of Surprise. Let's get into a seat tour. There's a large IFE screen. I'll go more into that later in the flight. There's a large tray table that slides back and forth. The legroom is great, like on all JetBlue planes. There's a large seat back pocket with the water bottle holder. The seat is padded and comfortable enough for this transcon flight. The adjustable headrest slides up and down. Let's get going and taxi to the runway. For the drink service, I chose to get a ginger ale like usual. Write your go-to drink in the comment section down below. As a snack, I got an 88 Acres cinnamon bar. The average size lavatory contains the standard amenities. Let's look into the IFE screen. There are 100 channels of DirecTV. There are also enough movies and TV shows to keep you entertained for the whole flight. There's also a live map on board. JetBlue offers free high-speed Wi-Fi. It's pretty fast. I still love that JetBlue offers high-speed Wi-Fi. Here's our plane on Flight Radar 24. Overall, this was a great flight. JetBlue has a snack cabinet where you can get drinks and snacks during the flight. They also did a second drink service, but I didn't record it. Overall, JetBlue is a great airline. If you've never flown them, I would highly recommend it. My next video will be an American Airlines A320 from Charlotte, North Carolina to Richmond, Virginia.
It is 10:57 a.m. We'll be taxiing in for a few moments. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and baggage stowed. So we're parked at the gate and the captain turn off the back seatbelt sign. Now welcome to use cell phones if the railings are accessible. Before deplaning, check around your seat for personal belongings you may have on board. Be careful, don't lean over at bins. Articles have a tendency to shift during the flight. Need extra assistance declaring the aircraft, please remain comfortably seated. We can better get to you and assist you this flight. And we'll get the carousel to you in just a few moments. When they pass that information along to me, I will let you know where you can get your checked luggage. Just a reminder, you do have to wear your face mask.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.